So, the US government has shut down. And I know you're all wondering, does that mean the stock market is about to crash? I grew an 8-figure net worth by understanding how money works. Let's talk about what this all means in plain English. So, here's what's really happening. When the US government shuts down, basically a bunch of workers are not going to get paid and a bunch of offices are closing their doors. The basics still run, planes are still flying, the military is still operating, but a ton of everyday operations stop. Now, what does that mean for the stock market? Mainly, it creates confusion. The government usually releases reports on things like jobs and inflation, but during a shutdown, these kinds of reports might not come out. And when investors don't have clear information, they get nervous. Nervous investors equals a bumpy stock market in the short term. Some industries are going to feel it more, okay? So companies or industries that are waiting on contracts or approvals from the government. But the part most people miss is that historically, when government shutdowns happen, it almost never causes a big crash in the stock market. In fact, during the longest shutdown in US history, the stock market actually went up. Because what actually drives the stock market longer term is the bigger stuff like company profit, interest rates, the overall economy, not just politics. So when you see the headlines and everybody's shouting, oh my God, a big crash is coming, here's what I want you to remember, okay? The stock market might get wobbly for a little bit, but it is not a reason to panic or pull all of your money out. The people who build wealth are not reacting to every headline. They have a system that works in the background that works whether things are up or down. And if you don't have that system yet, that's exactly what I teach inside my free training From Broke to Millionaire in 5 steps. And I will show you step by step how to go from stressed and confused about your money to confident and in control. You can go and grab it right now, link in bio.